All right, super quick video, real quick. 03 F250 6.0 diesel, installing diamond eye exhaust, 4-inch straight pipe. This video is just a real quick tip. Helped me out a whole lot working by myself. So I see a lot of people, their main complaint is they struggle about getting the downpipe installed, especially if you're by yourself. So what I did was I dropped the ratchet strap down through the downpipe, hooked it on the bottom end of it, and then connected it right here to my radiator support. And what I did was, once I got it up into position where it needed to be, I ratcheted a little at a time, got a little pry bar here, massaged it a little bit, ratchet, massaged it, and it came right up in a matter of just a few minutes. A lot more easier than I expected, but I figured I'd try something different because I was working by myself and it just so happened to work out. And that seems to be the hardest part of doing these exhausts, getting that downpipe situated. Another quick tip, I should have had this ready for you guys and girls. Another quick tip on the removal of the initial downpipe. A lot of people also say they struggle with getting it down out of there. What I did was, my downpipe from the turbo, I cut it right there, because this is what seems to get caught on the way down. I cut it right here, then cut it down at the bottom where everybody else does, and downpipe dropped right out, no issues. You know, the worst part is dealing with this. I've never seen this foil fiberglass wrap got all over the place when I was cutting with the Sawzall. But whatever, just a quick tip, and I hope this helps at least one person. All right, thanks a lot.